What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Powerledger, which has pumped up nearly 60% in the last 24 hours and is currently valued at just above 56 cents. So we're going to be looking at why has it pumped up so much. Is now the right time to buy it? Is it too late? Or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it before it crashes back down? And also looking at its prediction overall in 2024, how low or how high can this crypto go? And is it a crypto worth investing into for this year? Can it give you a decent amount of ROI? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash the subscribe button as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I'll be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I am going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the usual purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Powerledger, which is here in purple. This is the value, average value of 39 cents. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in red at over 56 cents, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. However, that also does mean that the crypto is overvalued, so it may be heading for a potential pump over the coming hours and days as well, but we'll get into that later on in the video. For now, let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we are looking a little bit skeptical here. The blue line is slightly slanting towards the negative direction, looking quite bearish, and the orange line is looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction. So according to the graph, an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Powerledger over the next 12 to 14 hours. So essentially by midday tomorrow to tomorrow afternoon, the crypto should be hovering around 55-56 cents. However, I'm expecting it to drop down to just below 50 cents in value is where I'm expecting it to be dropping to. Reason for that is it's pumped up quite a bit over the last 24 hours, especially here. Over the last couple of hours here, over the last 12 hours, I would say, is pumped up at least 40%, which means it is kind of overvalued right now. So it is due for a little bit of a step back in value. So dropping down just below 50 cents over the next 12 to 14 hours is what I'm expecting. However, that does not mean that it's not going to pump up anymore. It is likely to go past 60 cents over the next couple of hours before it slowly starts to drop back down in value in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, we've got the blue and the orange line looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction, looking very positive. However, that does not mean that it's going to keep pumping over the next couple of days. Reason it is looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks that the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the coming days. However, that is not realistic. So let's say by mid next week, guys, over the next 7 to 8 days, I'm expecting Powerledger to have once again dropped back down in value below 45 cents is what I'm expecting. But again, that does not mean that it's going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. It is likely to hit green days in between as well. It is going to be quite volatile, up and down. But unfortunately, the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side. Exact reason as the previous chart, the crypto is currently overvalued, so it is due for a drop back over the coming days as well. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, again, we've got the blue line looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction, and so is the orange line as well. But in this case, guys, over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so late February, early March 2024, so approximately over the next 2 months, 2 to 3 months, I'm expecting Powerledger to have gone for an overall increase in value. Reason for that is we've got 2 months, 2 to 3 months, guys. I'm expecting it to head to about 65 to 70 cents in value. Again, Before it does that, it must go through a price correction, dropping down to around 40 cents in value over the coming week or two, and then slowly and steadily gaining value up to about 65 to 70 cents is what I'm expecting. And as you guys can see here, since about September time, the crypto has been slowly and steadily heading up in value, and that is likely to carry on over the next couple of months as well, and potentially even hitting the dollar mark by mid-year is what I'm expecting from Powerledger at the moment. But if there are any major updates that can have a potential impact on the value of Powerledger, either in a positive or negative direction, I will make sure to let you guys know as soon as possible on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we have broken up from the green zone without resisting into the dark green zone and into the blue zone without resisting, and also to the top tier level. So this, yeah, most likely the crypto is overvalued because it has not resisted at all. As you guys can see, the previous 2 times it's hit the resistance target, it's literally hit it, dropped back down, hit it, dropped back down again here in December, late December, a couple of days ago even, and then right now is literally hit it and did not resist at all, and has broken out through 1, 2, 3 resistant values, which, yeah, again does most likely means it's overvalued. So over the coming week or two, it should drop back down into the green zone and then slowly and steadily head back up into the blue zone here over the coming 2 to 3 months, and potentially even higher, hitting potentially a new all-time high by mid-year is what I'm expecting. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 2,300%, guys, making it nearly $500 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading. Reason for that is, of course, it is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours, or even the top gainer in the last 24 hours, according to Binance. So it is getting a lot of attention right now, a lot of hype around it from both buyers and sellers point of view, meaning a lot more people are actively trading the crypto, and that is also helping the value of Powerledger go up as well, as it currently is pumping. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on this crypto, guys. Comment down below, how high are you guys expecting Powerledger to go in 2024? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.